Okay, a while ago we did hand pollination of the bird of paradise, and you could see inside the mesh bag one of the seed pods have opened, and there are some orange and black seeds. I guess we put the bag on because we don't want these guys to fall out. And if you look, pretty cool looking. Very cool. Yeah, let's start off with this small one here. So not too many seeds in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pretty cool looking things, huh? Probably be easier if I would have let it dry out more. As you can see, these seeds aren't exactly black, so probably should have let them dry a little bit more, but I'm sure they're still going to be good.